Bitcoin just did something it hasn't done in months. And if history repeats itself, this could be the moment before either a massive rebound or the beginning of the next crypto winter. So what just happened? And what should you do now? Let's break it down. Bitcoin has officially broken below one of its most important psychological support levels, and the entire crypto market is trembling. But the real question is, was this a crash? Or a setup? At the start of October, Bitcoin hit its all-time high. Altcoins were exploding. The total crypto market cap touched record levels. Everything was green. But after hitting historic highs, a small correction was expected. Instead, the market didn't correct. It collapsed. Within 7 days, over $1 trillion vanished from the market. Altcoins tanked. Fear spiked. And on the 14th of November 2025, Bitcoin broke through its psychological level and is now trading at its lowest in 6 months. Bitcoin's returns have turned negative. So what triggered this? First, a major shift in investor behavior. New retail investors are rushing in, but whales, long-term giants who hold billions, are dumping. According to new market data, 815,000 Bitcoins have been sold in just 30 days. That's the biggest wave of selling since early 2024. When whales book profits, the market bleeds aggressively. Second, leverage. Crypto exchanges allow 50x, 100x, and this creates a domino effect. A small price drop triggers liquidations. Those liquidations trigger more selling. More selling triggers more liquidations. And the entire market spirals downward. That is exactly what we are seeing right now. Now let's look at the macro picture. The US economy is surprisingly strong. But a strong economy raises inflation. To fight inflation, the Federal Reserve keeps interest rates high interest rates push investors away from risky assets like crypto and into safe, guaranteed returns. And in the latest Fed meeting, no clear signal of future rate cuts. That one statement shook global markets, Bitcoin included. Now, the big question, should you invest right now? Or wait, altcoins are in the danger zone. Whenever Bitcoin falls, altcoins fall twice as hard. Right now, volatility is extreme. But here's something important. Whales rarely want to sell at the bottom. Big investors want to accumulate cheap. They know Bitcoin was up here, and now it's fallen this far. Selling pressure may slow down because big players want to buy, not panic sell. Historically, we see this pattern. Price drops sharply. Whales accumulate silently. Then, boom! The price reverses. Will that happen again? Probably. But not instantly. We may see one last dip before Bitcoin finds its footing again. If you're planning to invest, never put all your money at once. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Buy in parts. Divide your capital. If the price falls further, buy again. This protects you from volatility. Crypto gives massive returns, but it can also take everything away. Be wise, not emotional. If you found value in this breakdown, hit like right now. Subscribe to stay ahead of the market and turn on notifications because the next 30 days in crypto could be the most important of the entire year. Drop a comment telling me your prediction. Is this the crash before the comeback or the start of something bigger?